Welcome to Autopulse, where compact design meets full-scale freedom. The 2026 Winnebago Solis Pocket Camper Tricycle is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement for those who want to travel smart, light, and with style. At first glance, the Solis Pocket Tricycle might look like something out of a futuristic eco-village, but it's very much rooted in today's needs: mobility, sustainability, and comfort. Built on a reinforced three-wheel electric chassis, this micro-RV is fully street-legal, off-grid ready, and perfect for both urban exploration and countryside escapes. This model is a continuation of Winnebago's commitment to accessible van life, but it shrinks everything down to tricycle scale without compromising the essentials. Think of it as the little sibling of the Solis van series, but with even more personality. Now, let's talk power. The 2026 Solis Pocket Camper Trike comes with a high-capacity 72V lithium-ion battery pack paired with a dual-motor rear hub system. That means smooth torque, hill climbing capability, and a top speed of about 30 miles per hour. It's designed for low-speed travel, perfect for scenic drives, park roads, and downtown cruising. And with a range of 80 to 100 miles per charge, you're not just running errands, you're chasing sunsets. Charging is simple. Plug it into any standard 110-volt outlet, or let the rooftop solar panels do their thing. On sunny days, the integrated 600-watt solar array keeps the battery topped up, running your appliances and electronics while you relax. You've got green energy powering your journey the whole way. Let's step inside. The moment you open the lightweight sliding door, you'll notice how intelligently the space has been used. There's seating for two both swivel chairs, facing a compact but functional living area. The interior blends marine-style minimalism with smart RV tech. Warm LED lighting, soft close cabinetry, and magnetic storage solutions make this tiny space feel bigger than it is. The kitchenette is surprisingly capable. It features a single-burner induction cooktop, a 12-volt compressor fridge, a fold-down sink with filtered water, and just enough counter space to prep meals for one or two people. There's even a hidden pull-out cutting board that doubles as a dining tray. Storage is where the Solis Pocket shines. Every inch is optimized. Underseat compartments, wall pouches, and overhead bins keep your gear organized. Need more room? The rear cargo pod opens up with a flip-top lid, giving you extra space for camping gear, folding bikes, or even a portable kayak. Sleeping arrangements? This trike proves you don't need a big rig to sleep comfortably. The modular bed system converts from a bench to a twin-sized bed in seconds. It's got a supportive memory foam mattress, and there's even a blackout privacy curtain that wraps around the cabin for a cozy night's sleep. Ventilation is handled with two ceiling vents, one powered fan and one passive, with bug screens for airflow. And yes, there's heat. The built-in diesel heater draws from an auxiliary 2-gallon tank and keeps the cabin warm even in cold mountain nights. An optional mini-split AC is available if you're traveling in hot climates and don't mind the added battery drain. What about a bathroom? Well, this is still a microcamper. You're not getting a full bath, but it does include a portable cassette toilet with its own storage compartment, plus an outdoor shower hookup with privacy curtain. It's simple, effective, and easy to clean. The control panel is all digital. You can monitor your power levels, water supply, and climate controls through the onboard touchscreen or use the dedicated Winnebago app to manage everything from your phone. It even has GPS tracking, maintenance alerts, and remote lock/unlock features. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The Solis Pocket Trike has LED running lights, signal indicators, rear cameras for reversing, and even proximity sensors to alert you to nearby vehicles or obstacles. The triple disc brakes provide excellent stopping power, and the low center of gravity makes it stable in turns, even when fully loaded. Who's this trike really for? It's perfect for solo travelers, digital nomads, minimalist couples, or anyone downsizing from van life. It's ideal for national parks, stealth camping in cities, or even as a backyard office on wheels. And because it's technically a trike and not a van, parking is a breeze. It fits in a standard space and doesn't require a special driver's license. Another huge win? It's incredibly quiet. There's no engine noise, and the electric drivetrain means you can sneak into your favorite spots without disturbing nature or your neighbors. It's a peaceful, intentional way to travel. And let's not forget the price. Starting around $28,000, it's one of the most affordable entries into the luxury micro-RV market. Factor in the low operating costs, no gas bills, and minimal maintenance, and it starts to make a lot of sense. In short, the 2026 Winnebago Solis Pocket Camper Tricycle is redefining the boundaries of mobile living. It's compact but complete. Small but smart. Quiet, green, and easy to love. Whether you're chasing the road or just need a little escape pod, this might be the most fun you'll ever have on three wheels. Thanks for coming along for the ride. If you want more tours, tips, and trike adventures, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. What would you pack in your Solis Pocket Trike? Let us know.